www.newtoboss.com. My name is Ty. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you how you can create a mobile website using Dudamobile.com. Uh, Dudamobile is, let me just do a search for that so I could show to you. Dudamobile. It's actually a site that provides quick translation or website translation into a mobile website. But it's got plans in there. You've got a free version, but the free version wouldn't allow you to include your ads, I believe so, your own AdSense account or your own ads provider, but they're going to link up their accounts in there. But here on the plans right here, let me just drive you to dudamobile.com right there, and then go to plans right here and down to free basic limited mobile website. Here are what you're gonna get in doing the free, or you have to pay either one for $9 a month. For basic, you got 10 pages, 500 monthly page views, basic feature plugins, mobile website with ads. You get this. It's a mobile website with ads, but not your AdSense or not your ads provider. But their own content, I believe so. And you'd be getting dudamobile.com/your site directory. So you don't really get that m dot. In our case, we're newtoboss.com, so what you're expecting is m.newtoboss.com or mobilesite.newtoboss.com. But here, you still get their link. It's sort of like you just being linked up with them, but comparatively to the premium, you got moursite.com, right? So you'd be paying that $9 a month, community support only, and you got unlimited technical support, premium right in there. So again, it's an instant mobile website creator that you can just drag, drop, add links. You don't need coding for this. It's pretty straightforward. But why would you want to do that? Because if you're not exactly a developer and you'd want your site to be monetized through mobile devices, then you might want to use this as your as your development. You might want to use this so you can speed up things in creating a mobile website. If you're using WordPress, there's WP Touch plugin. We have a tutorial for that. You just look that up on the list of videos that we have. So right now, I'm just gonna do get started with free mobile website. We're gonna create newtoboss.com. Let me show you our website first. This is the base website that we have. This is gonna look like that on the desktop version. And scroll down a little bit, it's like that. If you access this on an Android, on a tablet, iPad, iPhone, it's still going to be like that because we don't have a mobile code yet. But here, scan QR code. If you'd want to download the app that we have a separate app for that. But it's the original look, would look like this. So you would know how it's being changed a little bit later. So just include that in there. Go mobile, newtoboss.com, get started. Click on that and edit mobile site. It's going to load that a little bit slow depending on your internet. Examining your website, extracting navigation, building HTML, CSS, testing your site. All those, if you're a developer and if you're going to code up everything from scratch, you're going to do all those. You're going to create HTML base files, PHP codes, and you know, if you're a developer, you know what you're going to do. But comparatively to having this Dudamobile or other mobile creator, website mobile translators, it's pretty straightforward. It's not going to even take 5 or 10 minutes. So let's check if we can do that in 10 minutes. And there you go, it load like that. This is your emulator. It should look like that in there. So compare that again here. this is your website, but here it's loaded as this: 3 stars in the sun, what makes me hallucinate. 3 stars in the sun, what makes me hallucinate. So you don't have your sidebar anymore. It's going to eliminate this sidebar that you have. So consider that if you have really important elements right on the right side, then that's going to be a bit of a problem. So you would have to move that on the center right here. But we have a control for that. I'm going to show you a little bit later. So alright, so let's try to navigate to a page right here. But before that, let me just show you that you can change the themes that you have. Click on this, the black one, and it's going to change that in there. Let me just close this. Close this. There you go. Alright, so it would look like that. This is going to be your theme now. Let's try the green one. And it would look like, I guess this is better, but it's too girly. So let's just do the white and the black white right there. Yeah, I guess this is going to be better. Alright, so it's all up to you. I guess I'd like this. Let me go back. Yeah, I guess this is better. See that? You're just gonna get thumbnails with alpha on the titles right in there. Ah, this is better. Okay, so we're gonna use this for now, but consider that it's a black theme right on top. But I guess we still can make changes on that. Now you got style in there. Let's try click on header right here. You got header. You can do upload. If you click on change right here, it's gonna ask you to upload a file right here. This is the one I've uploaded before. I mean, sorry, not I've uploaded, but I've uploaded to the website that we have. So you can click on upload right here, and it's going to allow you to change that. So click on, sorry, not done. Oh yeah, done. It's going to work. Then with, take a look at this right here. This is your logo. If you make it a little bit smaller, you can adjust that right here depending on the percentage. And alignment, let me make it smaller so you can see. You can drive it to the right side, you can drive it to the left side, and on the center it stays in there. Let's make it a little bit bigger, and there you go. And header background color, it's black, so we would want to change that to, let's just make it white for now so we can see everything. Alright, so I guess that's better looking. Background image, if you'd want to add an image here, something that's sort of like a pattern to match the theme or the color scheme right at the bottom, it's also going to work. And pages right here, click on the pages on the left side, and you would have to click on one of the links here so it would take you to a page. Edit, and no, sorry, just click on the link and go to link, I mean, not edit. And it's gonna preload that one we just clicked. This is how your content would look like. Let's compare that here. Let's click this and take a look at that. It's gonna be that wide right there, but again, try to just consider this on your mind. If you know the code of your website, I'm using WordPress for the engine, by the way. I'm using, it's actually on PHP, but it's been coded on a base file. So this right here, this is handled by a content container. Alright, so content right here, body. So it's gonna bring that in there. You don't get a sidebar anymore. So it's going to just find that in there, whatever inclusive on your content page. So if you scroll down a little bit, you got your picture right there. You got your all those you recommend, and you got your tags. But you got this, the Dudamobile. Just click on remove. To remove, upgrade your, oh yeah, right. Yeah, if you want to remove that, you don't want people seeing this Dudamobile logo, you can just upgrade to the account, which is a premium account, like about $9 a month, I guess. Alright, so let's try editing this right here. You can make changes also. For the image slider, if you'd want to add, you can just click drag that in there, and it's gonna work. Like you'd want to insert a photo gallery, drag, drop, and it's gonna be in there right there. Just add a photo gallery on this specific page. But again, remember, you're trying to edit a mobile website. It's not going to affect any of your codes on your original site, which is your desktop version site. So don't worry about that. You're just trying to make changes, append things on the mobile website itself, which is being hosted by Dudamobile. All right. So we're just going to remove this first because we're not really going to need that. So just click, and if you want to click, edit on some elements right there, let's just click on this, right? That, like that. Click on edit or click on delete. Just click on delete, so you'd remove that. And you can add dividers, you can add column, post page right here. You got your design right in here. You got HTML if you want to code in something, like you'd want to change the codes, if you want to alter some in there. And go live, it's basically you'd want to go rocking and rolling on your Android devices, your iOS devices, having a mobile website displayed on your phones or tablets or whatever device that you have in there. Just click on next right there, and it's going to create that. It's going to ask you to do basic, free. Just click on basic. It's going to ask you to enter your email address, account password, re-enter password. But I already have a mobile website on my own. Where was my website link? I can't find it. Oh, there you go. Here. Alright, so I needed to open my email just to find my preview for the website. This was the site that I designed and created. And if you're going to navigate or check this out on a mobile device, it is going to look like this. Alright, you scroll down. If you want to check as to how it looked like on an iPhone, it would look like that. How it looked like on a Windows phone, looks like that. How it looked like on a BlackBerry. Well, basically, nothing much of a change for the design. It's just going to emulate that on the device that you have. Click on rotate, would look like that. Rotate for Android, there you go. Rotate for iPhone, rotate for Windows phones, rotate for, oh no, we're not going to rotate for BlackBerry because there's no use rotating that. Alright, so that is how you would speed up things and creating a fast way of creating a mobile website using a free and also a premium website, which is dudamobile.com. Again, for some other video tutorials, you can check out www.nudaboss.com, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/nudaworks. Again, my name is Ty. Thanks much for watching the video.